When it comes to finding success online, we need to ensure that we're exploring as many avenues as possible when it comes to making money. One good thing I can say about this application is, it is available worldwide. So, you can sign up as a member practically anywhere in the world, as long as you have internet on your mobile device. You do have to be at least 18 years of age to sign up. The registration process is also very simple. You can either sign up using your Facebook account or Google account. Unfortunately, there's no other sign-up option. If you don't have a Facebook or Google account, you won't be able to use this app. So, if you are using an iPad or an iPhone, if you don't have a Facebook account, I suggest you create a Google. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will share with you another fun app that shocked my PayPal account. But before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you like this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you will be updated on videos I will upload about making money online. At the same time, you learn how to make money online for free. Buzzbreak is a mobile app where you can read news, funny memes, and many more. But there is more, they are also giving you gifts which can be converted into money. First and foremost, you need to download the app in the Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS, or you can click the first link in the description box below. Just sign up there and you may use this code. The benefits you will receive to use this code is that you will receive 27,000 points. When you click on the gifts button down on the right side, you will receive 100 points per 30 seconds. So, here's how you can earn from Buzzbreak. 1. Reading articles. One way you can earn from this app is by reading articles. You get paid to read the news. The way this works is, when you click on an article, it will take you to the site that hosts the article. You will then see a gift icon on the right side of your screen. You will see it loading and it will stop at a certain point. To continue the loading process, it will ask you to scroll down the article. You basically just have to follow the instructions of the gift icon. You don't even have to read the article. You can just keep an eye on the gift icon to see if it is loading. When it is fully loaded, it will ask you to scroll all the way down to claim your reward. Once you do that, a message will pop up indicating that you've earned points. The exact number of points can vary from article to article and from country to country. But overall, that's how easy it is to do. 2. Watching videos. The process for earning while watching videos is actually pretty much the same as reading articles. Just pick a video to watch and keep an eye on the gift icon. When the icon finishes loading, you will receive a certain number of points. You can then just stop watching the video and move on to the next. Again, you don't even have to pay attention to the video because if you just want to earn, you just have to check the gift icon. But, in my opinion, some of the videos they have are actually funny and interesting. So, it's a great way to pass the time and be entertained. 3. Daily check-in plus spin and win. You will also receive additional rewards for simply logging into the app every day. This gift can be claimed once a day and it will happen during your first login for the day. You don't have to do anything special to avail of this reward. You can also play their spin and win game daily. Every day, you get 2 free chances to spin the wheel. You can also get more chances to spin by inviting other people to join the site. You will have the chance to win up to $10 in this game. So, if you plan to use this app, make sure to not forget to play it every day. 4. Referral program. Just like with most GPT sites and apps, Buzzbreak also has a referral program you can take advantage of. Simply invite other people to join the app using your invite code. Once they download and install the app, they will then have to enter your invite code. Make sure to remind them of this because this is the only way you will receive the referral bonus. When they sign up as a member, you will then receive a referral bonus in the form of the currency of the country you live in. Payment method. Buzzbreak uses a point system for their rewards. You can then convert the points you've earned to cash through PayPal. In some countries, PayPal is not available, but there will be other options you can choose from. The threshold you need to reach to withdraw your earnings is only $5. If you are interested in more sites that pay via PayPal, I suggest you check out our previous videos. If you are looking mostly for entertainment and just want to earn a tiny bit on the side at the same time, then Buzzbreak might be the right option for you. But if you are looking for more effective ways to earn, you should look elsewhere. In my opinion, your time will be better spent on other apps or sites that have better earning potential. That's why I recommend you check out our previous videos instead. If you have any comments, questions, or have any experiences with Buzzbreak yourself, I would love to hear from you in a comment below.